have my friend Elaine to join me. We are making pink Moscato Cupcakes. I made these cupcakes for New Year's Eve and I loved them so much that I decided that I also wanted to make them for you guys. Happy New Year.
Happy 2020. It's the roaring 20s again.
Isn't that crazy?
It's weird.
So the first thing that we are gonna do is we're actually gonna prepare something that is going to be for our frosting. I have my little hot plate here and I set it to medium. We're just gonna simmer down 1 cup of Moscato.
Now, this might be a stupid question, but are the cupcakes going to be alcoholic?
No, that's not a stupid question. There is alcohol in the cupcakes and in the frosting, but because we're cooking it, the alcohol will burn off.
Okay, so we're not going to get drunk.
You're not going to get drunk from the cupcakes. And now we are going to whisk together our dry ingredients. We have 1 3/4 cup of flour. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. While she is doing that, I am going to grab this other bowl and we're gonna cream together our butter and sugar. I always like to do 1 tablespoon of canned butter per 12 servings. So this is going to make 16 cupcakes, so 16 servings. And so we can decide to put 1.5 tablespoons, which is what I would recommend, or you can put 1 tablespoon if you want them to be really mild. 1/2 cup of butter total, so we have 6.5 tablespoons of regular butter and 1.5 tablespoons of cannabis butter, and then we are adding 1 cup of sugar, and we are going to beat them together. And it's always a really good idea when you're working with your cannabis butter to really, really mix it in well with the regular butter. I sometimes like to melt the butters together because that is the best way to make sure that they're mixed well. And then you can let them cool or put it back in the refrigerator to harden up. Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm gonna add our eggs. We have 2 eggs and I'm just gonna add them 1 at a time and she's gonna mix them in. Add our vanilla extract. That is 1 teaspoon. And now we are gonna mix together, I have Greek yogurt and our Moscato. So this is 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt and we're gonna do 1/2 cup of Moscato. And then we are going to alternate adding the Moscato and the Greek yogurt mixture and our flour mixture. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this and a little bit of this. And we're just gonna go back and forth. This is my lovely handy ice cream scoop. I use a scoop to make all of my cookies and cupcakes and this also makes them all the same size. Okay, I'm gonna go put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 18 minutes until a toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. Anyway, we are making pink Moscato cream cheese frosting because I love cream cheese frosting. It's delicious on everything.
And I see you have these little gems
Cupcake
too.
gems for decorating.
It's so much fun.
Fancy. So I have 4 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of butter. And we are going to beat those together. You want it to be a little bit fluffy too. That's what's gonna make your frosting fluffy. We are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I want this to cool off, so I'm gonna just pour this back into here. I've already measured out 2 cups of powdered sugar. So this is very helpful to add a little bit at a time because if you dump the whole bowl in and then turn on your mixer, powdered sugar is gonna fly everywhere. And I'm just gonna add it in here. And I'm going to continue adding that powdered sugar that's kind of gonna absorb that liquid and then really mix nicely in with our butter.
Ooh, it looks like marshmallows.
So I just like to do a nice little circular swirl. And now we can taste test. Be careful. This is really messy.
Oh my gosh, that cream cheese.
Right? I don't ever desire.
The frosting is soup now.
But a warm cupcake is actually very good.
So good. I'll give this a 10 out of 10.
Woo! Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Elaine for coming to join me today. Today we made pink Moscato cupcakes, which will be great for Valentine's Day, birthday parties, bridal showers, you name it. They're just delicious cupcakes.
Yes, they are.
Exactly. And thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And I also have a Patreon. If you wanted to chip in like $1 to help me buy an egg, that would be pretty cool.
That would be amazing.
But you know what? $1 is, you could get like 3 eggs. Yay!
Yay!
Success! like, and subscribe.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!